Natural numbers. These are numbers or counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Whole numbers, these are also counting numbers, but it includes 0. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Even numbers. Even numbers, these are numbers that can be divided equally into 2. These are 2, 4, 6, 8, and more. Odd numbers, these are numbers that cannot be divided equally into 2. If you divide them into 2, you will have a decimal answer or a remainder. These are 1, 3, 5, 7, and more. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers that has only 2 factors, 1 and itself. So the prime numbers are 3, 5, 7, 11, and more. Composite numbers, these are numbers that has more than 2 factors. Like for example, 4, 6, 9, 12, and more. Rational numbers, these are numbers that can be in the form of A over B or fraction. Like for example, 1/2, 2/5, 3/4, and more. And then irrational numbers, these are numbers like square root of 2, square root of 5, e, pi, and more.